So the very latest coming out of the International Olympic Committee and the local organizing committee is that it is still all system go for the Tokyo Olympics. The calculation is that the corona clouds will clear and the COVID-19 dust will settle in time for the Olympic Games to happen. And look, we can't wrong the organizers. How would it look if they came out now and canceled the Olympics and by the end of April or May, summer get hot and the virus completely disappear? Actually, the IOC is doing the smart thing, which is as much as possible plan and prepare at the organizational and at the administrative levels as if there is no coronavirus, and hope that the pandemic would have come and gone within a 2 or 3 month window. Of course, the promotional and the marketing efforts will be affected, but this is the Olympic Games. How much marketing and promotion it needs? And for sure, the various athletes from the various sports would not have had the best preparation because of the disruption. So the performances might not be of the highest quality, but again, it's the Olympic Games, and the occasion and the spectacle and the competitiveness are much more important than the standard of the performances. Anyway, a chat. Because we still don't know if the Olympics are keep. We just say what? Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed, because Olympics are the least right now, yes. Olympics are the least right now, yes.